Welcome to our video on the worst PC building mistakes you can make. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, there are common pitfalls that can turn your dream rig into a nightmare. In this video, we'll dive deep into the most frequent errors that builders encounter, from choosing incompatible components to overlooking essential cooling solutions. We understand that building a PC can be both exciting and overwhelming, and that's why we're here to guide you through the process. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to avoid these blunders, ensuring that your build not only functions well, but also lasts for years to come. You might be wondering why it's so crucial to steer clear of these mistakes. Well, a successful PC build hinges on the right choices, and one misstep can lead to performance issues, costly repairs, or even a complete system failure. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to watch out for, empowering you to create a powerful and reliable machine. So, whether you're building your first gaming rig or upgrading your existing setup, stay tuned as we uncover the worst mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's get started on your journey to a flawless PC build. Mistake number 1, skipping compatibility checks. One of the most critical mistakes you can make when building a PC is skipping compatibility checks. Ensuring that all your components work together is essential for a smooth and successful build. Incompatible parts can lead to a range of frustrating issues, from system failures to performance bottlenecks, and ultimately, wasted money on components that you can't use. Imagine spending hours assembling your new rig, only to find that your motherboard doesn't support your chosen CPU, or that your RAM isn't compatible with your motherboard's specifications. This scenario can be incredibly disheartening and can derail your entire project. To avoid this pitfall, utilize tools like PC Part Picker, which allows you to check the compatibility of your selected components easily. This website not only helps you find parts that work well together, but also provides price comparisons and user reviews, making your shopping experience more efficient. Additionally, always double-check the specifications of your motherboard, CPU, and RAM. Look for details like socket types, RAM speeds, and supported memory capacities. Taking the time to verify compatibility before making a purchase can save you from headaches down the line and ensure that your build runs smoothly from the start. So remember, a little diligence in the planning phase can go a long way in creating a successful PC build. Mistake number 2, poor cable management. When building a PC, one mistake that often gets overlooked is poor cable management. While it may seem like a minor detail, organized cable management plays a significant role in both airflow and aesthetics. Tangled cables can obstruct airflow within your case, leading to overheating and potentially damaging your components. A cluttered interior can trap heat, making it harder for your cooling system to do its job effectively. To avoid these issues, consider practical tips for routing your cables effectively. Using zip ties and Velcro straps can help you bundle and secure cables neatly, keeping them out of the way of fans and airflow pathways. Plan your cable routes before you start connecting everything, and take advantage of any built-in cable management features your case may offer, such as grommets and tie-down points. Beyond functionality, a clean build has a significant visual appeal. A well-organized interior not only looks professional, but also makes it easier to identify and troubleshoot issues in the future. Plus, if you plan on upgrading components down the line, having a tidy setup will simplify the process and reduce the risk of damaging cables. So take the time to manage your cables properly. It's a small effort that can lead to better performance and a more visually pleasing PC that you'll be proud to show off. Mistake number 3, neglecting thermal paste application. One of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects of building a PC is the application of thermal paste. This compound plays a vital role in CPU cooling by filling microscopic gaps between the CPU and the cooler, ensuring efficient heat transfer. However, many builders make common application errors that can lead to overheating and performance issues. Using too much thermal paste can create a mess and actually hinder heat dissipation, while using too little can result in inadequate cooling. Both scenarios can lead to elevated temperatures, which may cause your CPU to throttle or even shut down to prevent damage. To apply thermal paste correctly, start with a small, pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU. When you attach the cooler, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Avoid spreading it manually, as this can lead to uneven application. After your build is complete, it's essential to monitor your CPU temperatures to ensure optimal performance. Use software tools to check the temperatures during idle and load conditions. If you notice unusually high temperatures, It may indicate that the thermal paste was applied incorrectly, or that there's an issue with your cooling solution. By paying attention to thermal paste application, you can significantly enhance your CPU's cooling efficiency and ensure a stable, high-performing system. Mistake number 4, overlooking power supply. Quality. When building a PC, one of the most critical components that often gets overlooked is the power supply unit, PSU. A reliable PSU is essential for system stability, as it provides the necessary power to all your components. Using a low-quality power supply can lead to a host of problems, including unstable performance, random shutdowns, and even permanent hardware damage. Low-quality PSUs may not deliver consistent power, which can stress your components and lead to failures over time. In the worst-case scenario, a faulty power supply can cause catastrophic damage to your motherboard, CPU, or graphics card, resulting in costly repairs or replacements. To avoid these risks, it's crucial to invest in a reputable power supply. Brands like Corsair and EVGA are well known for their reliability and performance, offering a range of options to suit different builds and budgets. Look for units that are 80+ certified, as this indicates higher efficiency and better quality. Additionally, before making a purchase, take the time to calculate your power needs using online calculators. These tools can help you determine the wattage required for your specific components, ensuring that you choose a PSU that can handle your system's demands. By prioritizing power supply quality, you'll set a solid foundation for a stable and high-performing PC. Mistake number 5, ignoring BIOS updates. One of the most commonly overlooked aspects of PC building is keeping the BIOS updated. The BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is crucial for your motherboard's functionality and overall system performance. An outdated BIOS can lead to compatibility issues with new hardware, preventing your system from recognizing components like CPUs, RAM, or graphics cards. This can result in suboptimal performance or even system instability. To ensure your system runs smoothly, it's essential to keep your BIOS updated. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to safely update it. First, visit the manufacturer's website for your motherboard and navigate to the support or download section. Here, you'll find the latest BIOS version available for your model. Download the update file and carefully read any accompanying instructions. Next, prepare a USB flash drive formatted to FAT32 and copy the BIOS update file onto it. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the designated key during boot, usually Del or F2. Look for the option to update the BIOS, often labeled as EZ Flash or M Flash. Select the file from your USB drive and follow the prompts to complete the update. Finally, always check your manufacturer's website for the latest updates and release notes. By keeping your BIOS current, you'll enhance system stability and ensure compatibility with future hardware upgrades. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the worst PC building mistakes and how to avoid them. We've covered several key pitfalls that can derail your build, including skipping compatibility checks, poor cable management, neglecting thermal paste application, overlooking power supply quality, and ignoring BIOS updates. Each of these mistakes can lead to frustrating issues, but with careful planning and research, you can ensure a successful and efficient PC build. Remember, taking the time to verify component compatibility, manage your cables neatly, apply thermal paste correctly, invest in a reliable power supply, and keep your BIOS updated will set you up for a smooth experience. These steps not only enhance performance, but also contribute to the longevity of your system. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow builders who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for the community. Also, be sure to explore our related content for deeper dives into specific topics, product reviews, and building guides. We're here to support you on your PC building journey, so let's build something amazing together.